High window of your room, above the roofs and streets and cries. Lying awake and still I watch the wonder of the dawn arise. Slow tips the world's deliberate rim, descending to the baths of day. Up floats the pure ethereal tide and floods the outworn dark away. The city sprawled on easy bulk, illumine slowly in my sight. The crowded roofs, the common walls, the gray streets melt in mystic light. It passes them with longing sore for that loud light of paradise. I turn my face and find it in